19. Compare arrays and structures.
Answer: arrays. It is a derived data type.
Structures. It is a user-defined data type. Arrays. A collection of same type of data, whereas structures are a collection of different types of data. Arrays. Elements of an array are referenced using the corresponding subscripts, whereas elements of structure are referenced using dot operator. In arrays, when an element of an array becomes another array, multi-dimensional array is formed, whereas when an element of a structure becomes another structure, nested structure is formed.
20. Define the following OOP terms. A. Data abstraction. B. Inheritance. C. Function overloading. Answer A. Data abstraction refers to showing only the essential features of the application and hiding the details from outside world. B. Inheritance is the process by which objects of one class acquire the properties and functionalities of another class. C. Defining multiple functions with the same name and different function signatures is known as function overloading. 21. Write short note on A. Linked list. Answer: linked list is a collection of nodes where each node consists of a data and a pointer to the next node in the list. B. Circular queue. Answer: a circular queue is an extended version of a normal queue where the last element of the queue is connected to the first element of the queue, forming a circle. C. Stack. Answer: the data structure that follows LIFO principle is known as stack. It is an ordered list of items in which all insertions and deletions are made at one end, usually called top. 22. Differentiate client-side scripting and server-side scripting. Answer: side script. Script is copied to the client browser. Script is executed in the client browser. Client-side scripts are mainly used for validation of data at the client. Server-side scripting. Script remains in the web server. Script is executed in the web server and the web page produced is returned to the client browser. Server-side scripts are usually used to connect databases and return data from the web server. Client-side scripting. Users can block client-side scripting. The type and version of the web browser affect the working of a client-side script. Server-side scripting. Server-side scripting cannot be blocked by a user. The features of a web browser does not affect the working of server-side script. 23. Write the HTML code to display the following list. 1. Input devices, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Answer: 2. Output devices, monitor and printer. Answer: 24. Name the following. A. Built-in function used in JavaScript to get the character at a particular position in a string. Answer: B. Built-in function in JavaScript used to check whether a value is number or not. Answer: C. Data type used in JavaScript for representing true or false values. Answer: 25. Consider the following JavaScript code to find the sum of numbers up to a limit fill in the blanks. Answer: 26. Briefly explain the following terms. A. Free hosting. B. CMS. C. Responsive web design. Answer A. Free hosting provides web hosting services free of charge. The service provider displays advertisements in the websites hosted to meet the expenses. B. Content management system refers to a web-based software system which is capable of creating, administering, and publishing websites. C. Responsive web design is the custom of building a website suitable to work on every device and every screen size. 27. Briefly explain any three aggregate or column functions. Answer: 28. Write SQL queries for the following. A. To create a table with the following fields: employee name, designation, basic pay, DA, gross pay. Answer: B. To display all employees whose basic pay is more than 50,000. Answer: C. To update the DA of employees whose designation is manager to 20% of basic pay. Answer: 29. Explain briefly about any three core data types in PHP. Answer 1. Integer. Integers are whole numbers. It does not include precision. Example -32, 986, etc. 2. Float or double fractional numbers are grouped as floating point numbers of double data type. Example 123.56. 3. String. Strings hold both words and sentences. These are always inserted within quotation marks. Both single and double quotes can be used to represent strings. Example apple. 4. Boolean. A Boolean data type can represent two possible states, true or false. Booleans are often used in conditional testing. Write any three. 30a. Write the basic structure of an HTML document. Answer B. Write the HTML code for the following. 1. To display a scrolling text, welcome to my web page with 5-second delay in scrolling. Answer 2. To display the text H2SO4. Answer 31a. Define the following terms in RDBMS. 1. Primary key. 2. Attributes. Answer. Primary key. A primary key is a set of one or more attributes that can uniquely identify tuples within the relation. 2. Attributes. The columns of a relation is called attribute. B. Briefly explain any three operations in relational algebra. Answer 1. Select operation. It is used to select rows from a relation that satisfies a given condition. This operation is denoted using lowercase letter sigma. The general format of select operation is sigma condition relation. 2. Project operation. It selects certain attributes from the table and forms a new relation. It is denoted by lowercase letter. General format is given here. 3. Union operation. It is a binary operation and it returns a relation containing all tuples appearing in either or both of the two specified relations. It is denoted by U. The two relations must be union compatible, which means that the attributes of relation should be the same in name, number, type and order. 3. Intersection operation. It is also a binary operation and it returns a relation containing the tuples appearing in both of the two specified relations. It is denoted by the symbol of intersection. The operand relation must be union compatible. 4. Set difference operation. It is also a binary operation and it returns a relation containing the tuples appearing in the first relation but not in the second relation. It is denoted by minus. The operand relation must be union compatible. 5. Cartesian product operation. It returns a relation consisting of all possible combination of tuples from the two operand relations. It is a binary operation on relation which has a degree number of attributes equal to the sum of the degrees of the two relation operated upon. The cardinality number of tuples of the new relation is the product of the number of tuples of the two relation operated upon. Cartesian product is denoted by cross. It is also called cross product. Write any three. 32a. Define e-governance. B. Write any 4 benefits of e-governance. Answer A. E-governance is the application of ICT for delivering government services to citizens in a convenient, efficient and transparent manner. The objective of e-governance is to ensure that the service of the government reach the public promptly and effectively. B. 1. E-governance leads to automation of government services. 2. E-governance strengthens democracy. 3. It makes every government department responsible as they know that they are closely observed. 4. Proper implementation of e-governments save unnecessary visit of the public to offices. It saves time and money.